Hi everyone, I am Binu KG, faculty in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at St. Joseph Engineering College, Mangaluru. And in this video, I would like to express my view on what makes a video lecture effective. Well, I spent a lot of time selecting the right topic for a video lecture, organize the content as a PPT, add voice narrations to it, upload it to YouTube, then I take it to edpuzzle.com to make it interactive, and then assign it to my students through a learning management system, which I usually prefer Google Classroom. Video lectures are no substitute for live class. But then these days, it has become necessary that we engage students when they are off campus as well. Video lectures are one of the many ways in which we can keep the learning going even outside the class. My 3-point mantra in designing an effective lecture is to keep it short, to make it interactive, and to have a definite follow-up action to every video. Step number 1 is to select the topic for the video lecture. The topic that you select should be suitable for an online pedagogy. Not every topic needs to be addressed through video lectures. Relevance is the key. Information provided to students through the video should enable them to apply it somewhere immediately, not just for exams. The content viewed in the video should help students do something specific. Let's say, work on an assignment, develop a mini project, answer a quiz successfully, etc. Meaning there should be a definite follow-up action to perform after watching the video. Else, the video might not be received with interest. So, what we can do is decide the expected outcome of the video lecture and work backward. Step 2 is to organize your content. I prefer Microsoft PowerPoint. There are plenty of tools available. Choose yours. I organize my content as a PowerPoint presentation. Why PowerPoint? Simply because we are well versed with it. My students are used to it. If you need to innovate, there are plenty of tools available. Prezi, Visme, Canva, Zoho, plenty of tools are available. Choose one that will please you, but make sure that your students are well versed with it. Decide on the extent of content in the PPT. Usually key phrases or points are preferred. But since we are in a phase of extensive online learning, the PPT could contain slightly more reading material for the benefit of the students, especially for multiple viewing. Visualization is the key. Students should be able to visualize the systems we describe. Remember, most of them are visual learners. Use pictures, videos, etc. Make sure that the images and videos you use are edited properly and do not violate copyrights. When in doubt, seek permission to use. Else, choose Creative Commons images and videos. GIFs are very effective in demonstrating mechanisms. Use them. Step 3 is to add voice narration. Once your PPT is ready, set animations to every small element of each slide so that they enter in your preferred order of explanation. Next comes the main part. Add narrations to each of the slides in your own beautiful voice. Remember, your students will love to hear from you. They are used to learning from you. It will calm them down. So where to add narrations in PPT? In the slideshow tab, select record slideshow and then record from the current slide. Narrate slowly, clearly and with a happy tone. Add humor as you would do in a live class. You don't need any sophisticated mic. Your laptop mic is just fine. A word of advice, add narration slide-wise and not from the beginning. Adding changes or modifications later will become easy. And of course, do not forget to keep saving the file after adding the narration to each of the slides. Make sure that you use the laser pointer to point at mechanisms, equations, etc. while narrating. The laser point movements are recorded automatically and it will help your students stay focused. Alright, so where do we stand now? The content is decided, PPT is prepared and the narration is added. Now what? Make your PPT interactive. Make a video out of it and integrate the content with questions, notes and many more. How? Read on. Okay, so step 4. It is time now to convert your presentation, including audio narrations, to a video. In PPT, you go to File, Options, Export, and create a video to obtain an MP4 version of your presentation. Upload the video to YouTube. Going forward, a teacher's video lectures, blogs, web pages are going to be very important to her bread and butter. So have a YouTube channel and line it up with your cool videos for your students to learn from at their own will. Step 5. Take your YouTube video to edpuzzle.com and create magic. Edpuzzle, ladies and gents, is one of the most brilliant online teaching learning tool that's out there. What a blessing it is. God bless the founders. You all will love Edpuzzle. I'm pretty sure about that. My friend Ragesh Raju has a cool video that will introduce you to Edpuzzle. Check it out. The link is provided in the description page of the YouTube video. Okay, if you have seen Ragesh Raju's video on Edpuzzle, you know already what we can do with it. Well, this is what I do. I add questions. MCQ as I move from one point to another. This will keep the students focused. It will keep them glued to the screen, and above all, it will make them reflect on their learning. For example, after I calculate the power capacity of a friction clutch using uniform wear theory, and before I move to calculate the same using uniform pressure theory, I put up a question on the comparative power capacity values using both theories. This will make my students think before they move on to the next session. At the end of the video, I add an open-ended question to check the learning of my students. It will provide me a feedback of how well my students have understood what I have been trying to explain through the video lecture. I also ask my students to note down the 3 things that they have learned and the 3 things they need greater clarity on. The best part of the whole process is the ease with which we are able to respond to students. Well, with that, lo and behold, you have your video lecture ready to be shared with the students. If you are using a learning management system, share the link of the Edpuzzle video with them and let the learning begin. If you are using Google Classroom, you hit jackpot. Google Classroom seamlessly integrates with Edpuzzle, and you have all your students in Google Classroom with you automatically. Just keep on clicking update in Google Classroom. That's it. Before I end, a quick point. Like I said at the start, it is essential to follow up the video with the task for the students to perform based on their learning from the video. This adds value to the video and it will resonate well with your students. Alright, thank you for watching this. I don't know what to call this. Anyways, cheers.